Hey everyone, welcome to another video of BlogHunch. In this video, we are going to see how we can change the publish date of an article. Let's head over to the dashboard. Let's take a look at our blog first. The first post that we have right here was published on May 2nd. Now let's get back to the dashboard and edit the same post. Now, once you are in the edit screen, click on the settings from the top right, and you should be able to see this publish date section. Now, if you click on this change right beside it, and if you want to switch it to something else, like maybe May 9th, and finally you hit the update button, it should update the publish date from there. Now, if we refresh this page, the date should be updated to May 9th. So this is how you can change the publish date.